Okay, we're going to focus on learning style. If you click on learning style, it is going to tell you and teach you more about visual learning style, auditory, and tactile. So what we're going to do is start the quiz. And again, this is more to understand how you learn. So for example, for me, when reading a novel, I tend to, and notice that there are 20 questions here. So when reading a novel, I imagine seeing what I'm reading. That's for me. Okay, for you, it could be different. Click, and then notice for this one, you're just answering this. It doesn't let you go back and fix it. So be careful on this. Once I am done, I will show you my progress. So go ahead and answer your 20 questions. All right, I am done, and it took me, at least for me, it took me here. So it says that I am an auditory tactile learner. What is that? Well, guess what? If you go ahead and click, it's gonna tell you a little bit more. And then it says I am 35% auditory learner. Again, tips, okay, that could help me with my learning style. This is very helpful for you to understand what type of learner you are, and as well as for your teachers. And if you want to click on view full results, it takes you down here as well. And if you want to do the quiz again, then you're more than welcome to. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful.